Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to convert your trial account into a pay-as-you-go account. Let's get started. After you've created your account, go to your billing page. You'll see that you're currently on the trial account. To activate the pay-as-you-go plan, click on the Activate Plan button. This will prompt you to enter your credit card information. And not to worry, there's no charge at this point. This step is where you set up your payment method for future use. And then of course, enter your first name, your last name, email, and company. Then provide your billing address. And if your physical address is the same as your billing address, simply click on Copy Billing Address. Then finally, enter your payment information and click on Subscribe. That's it. You have successfully converted your trial account to a pay-as-you-go subscription. With your payment method saved, you can quickly and easily self-check out when you output your data later on. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions.